Welcome to TheFactAddict. Today, we're diving into a truly catastrophic scenario. What if the sun explodes? From the immediate effects to the long-term consequences, let's explore what would happen if our life-giving star suddenly went supernova. But what would happen if this seemingly eternal source of energy were to explode? The results would be devastating, impacting not just Earth, but the entire solar system. The explosion would dwarf anything we've ever witnessed in human history. The sun, our closest star, is the source of all life on Earth. It has been burning for approximately 4.6 billion years, providing light and heat essential for our existence. This stellar giant is 1.3 million times the volume of Earth and constitutes about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. First, let's understand what it means for the sun to explode. In astronomical terms, an explosion of this magnitude would be akin to a supernova massive star ending its life in a colossal explosion. But can our sun actually go supernova? To clarify, the sun is not massive enough to end its life in a supernova. Stars at least 8 times more massive than the sun can explode in such a dramatic event. Instead, our sun will go through a less violent but equally transformative process as it reaches the end of its life cycle. In about 5 billion years, the sun will enter its red giant phase. It will expand to such a size that it might engulf the inner planets, including Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth. During this phase, the sun's outer layers will be lost, leaving behind its core. After shedding its outer layers, the sun will shrink into a white dwarf, a small dense remnant that will gradually cool over billions of years. This is the natural end for a star of the sun's mass. But let's imagine an improbable scenario where the sun does explode. What would happen then? The immediate effect of the sun exploding would be a blinding flash of light. The explosion would release an enormous amount of energy, outshining entire galaxies for a brief moment. This immense energy release would be felt instantaneously across the solar system. A powerful shockwave would propagate through the solar system, traveling at the speed of light. This shockwave would carry with it a flood of lethal radiation, impacting everything in its path. The planets, moons, and other celestial bodies would be bombarded by intense radiation. On Earth, the immediate aftermath would be catastrophic. The intense heat would instantly vaporize the surface, boiling oceans and melting the crust. The surface temperature would soar to unimaginable levels, far beyond anything experienced in Earth's history. The explosion would strip away Earth's atmosphere, exposing the planet to the harsh vacuum of space. This would spell the end for all life as we know it. The delicate balance of atmospheric gases that supports life would be obliterated in moments. Other planets in the solar system would face a similar fate. Mars, Jupiter, and even distant Pluto would be affected by the intense radiation and shockwave. Each planet would experience surface melting, atmospheric loss, and a fundamental transformation. The explosion would also disrupt the asteroid belt and Kuiper belt, sending asteroids and comets hurtling through the solar system. These celestial bodies, now rogue, would add to the destruction, potentially colliding with planets and moons. The solar system would be left in ruins. Planets would be scorched, atmospheres stripped, and moons torn apart. The delicate balance that has existed for billions of years would be shattered, leaving a chaotic and lifeless debris field. From a galactic perspective, the explosion of the sun would be a relatively minor event. Supernovae occur frequently in the universe, but the explosion of our sun would be significant for us, as it would mean the end of our home. The Milky Way galaxy, however, would continue on its course. Long-term, the solar system would be filled with debris from the explosion. Dust and gas would eventually coalesce into new celestial bodies over billions of years. The remnants of the sun could contribute to the formation of new stars and planetary systems. The remnants of the sun, enriched with elements forged in its core, could form a new nebula type. This nebula would be a stellar nursery, giving birth to new stars and potentially new solar systems, continuing the cosmic cycle of life and death. What about humanity? If we were still confined to Earth, our chances of survival would be zero. However, if humanity had established colonies on other planets or in other star systems, there might be hope for the continuation of our species. Colonizing other planets or star systems would be our best chance for survival. Advanced space travel and self-sustaining colonies would be crucial for ensuring the survival of human civilization beyond Earth. Our future may depend on our ability to reach and inhabit other worlds. Technological advancements in space travel, such as faster-than-light propulsion and advanced life support systems, would be essential for establishing these colonies. The development of technologies that allow us to live independently of Earth would be key to our survival. This scenario highlights the importance of space exploration and scientific research. Understanding the cosmos and developing the technology to live beyond Earth could one day be the key to our survival. Investing in space exploration is not just about curiosity. It's about preparing for the future. International cooperation in space missions and research is also vital. Collaborative efforts can accelerate advancements and increase our chances of thriving in space. The combined resources and knowledge of many nations can achieve what no single country could accomplish alone. Inspiring and educating the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers is crucial. The future of humanity in space depends on the bright minds and innovative ideas of young people today. Programs in STEM education and space science are investments in our future. Humanity has always shown resilience and ingenuity in the face of challenges. Facing the possibility of cosmic events, like a supernova, reminds us of our vulnerability, but also our potential to overcome and thrive. Our ability to adapt and innovate will be our greatest asset. From a philosophical perspective, the potential destruction of Earth forces us to consider the significance of life in the universe. It raises questions about our place in the cosmos and the legacy we wish to leave behind. Are we mere passengers on a cosmic journey, or active participants shaping our destiny? From a cosmic perspective, life on Earth is a rare and precious phenomenon. The fact that we exist at all is a testament to the delicate balance of conditions that support life. Protecting and expanding life beyond Earth could be seen as our ultimate purpose. Beyond our solar system, the search for exoplanets continues to reveal potentially habitable worlds orbiting distant stars. Advances in telescope technology are allowing us to study these exoplanets in greater detail, bringing us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Breakthrough technologies, such as warp drives and space habitats, could one day make interstellar travel possible. While these concepts are currently in the realm of science fiction, continued research and innovation may turn them into reality. The dream of traveling to other star systems might one day be realized. The idea of the sun exploding in space exploration has fascinated humanity for centuries, inspiring countless works of literature, film, and art. These cultural reflections often shape our collective imagination and drive interest in space exploration. Government policies and funding for space exploration play a critical role in advancing our capabilities. Support for space agencies like NASA, ESA, and private companies like SpaceX is essential for pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The private sector's involvement in space travel is opening new frontiers. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are making strides in reducing the cost of space travel and developing technologies that could support human life beyond Earth. Ethical considerations must also be taken into account as we explore and potentially colonize other worlds. Issues such as planetary protection, the rights of potential extraterrestrial life, and the impact of human activity on pristine environments are crucial discussions. Future space colonies will likely be culturally diverse, reflecting the global nature of humanity. Understanding and celebrating this diversity will be essential for creating harmonious and productive communities in space. Future generations will inherit the legacy of our exploration, ensuring that we pass on a spirit of curiosity. Resilience and respect for the cosmos is vital. The actions we take today will shape the future of humanity in space. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a catastrophic yet fascinating scenario. While the sun exploding is highly improbable, it serves as a reminder of the importance of space exploration and the resilience of humanity. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay tuned to The Fact Addict for more incredible insights into the wonders of our universe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts and stories from around the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.